Items you will need are pear seed, knife, cloth, kerosene, and a lighter. Remove the husk from the seed and break it into 2 halves. Carve a cavity into one of the flat sides of the pear seed. Flatten the other side for the lamp to sit on. Bore a small hole through the center of the other half of the pear seed. Cut a small strip of cloth to serve as the wick. Try and avoid materials such as silk and polyester. Insert the cloth through the hole made into the pear seed, such that it protrudes through the top by about half a centimeter. Top up the cavity made into the seed with kerosene. Damp the wick in kerosene and cover the cavity with the other half of the pear seed. The lamp is finished and ready to illuminate the dark.